little ZX6R action. No, I won't, bro. Yeah, I'm not gonna go nuts on it, especially if it's. I'm not gonna do that on someone else's bike. I'll probably give it a little pull though. What? I'll give it a little pull though. Yeah, wait, so I can shift up without the clutch? What? I can shift up without the clutch?
Oh, if you want to use the QuickShifter, yeah, dude. It's just it doesn't go down.
Okay. Yeah, auto blipping. Yeah, and no auto blip.
You have to use the clutch to downshift, but
okay.
Downshift, you just hold the throttle
and then just kick up.
Click it up, and you'll see it'll do it for you.
I've never done a QuickShifter before.
Oh, it's exciting.
Okay, but yeah, and everyone says once they use a QuickShifter, they don't want to go back.
Are we going back to sheets?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alrighty. Little ZX6R action. Sheesh. Here, I'll give you guys a little look at it. Yes, sir. Oh wow, this feels weird. I don't want to stall. Oh, this bike feels a little bit heavier. God, this freaking bike is loud, dude. It sits so much lower though. Now I see why everyone says it's so much comfier. Yeah, shit, this is comfy compared to the R6. So much lower to the ground too. Sheesh, that looks good. Dang, that QuickShifter feels weird. Oh, there's neutral.
All the way out. Oh my God.
I know, yours feels weird too. Dude, that looks so sick. What? The front of that looks sick.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm just like this.
I know.
Oh my God.
Yeah, my clutch. Yeah, that's why his feels weird. My clutch literally engages all the way out there. Here it goes. Dude, my turn signals look so good. Sheesh. Yeah, dude, it's so much easier to flat foot this too, because like I said, it's lower. My seat's so much higher. It's in that race position, ready to go.
I don't have ABS.
No ABS, noted. Ready? Oh, what? I love it. I'm on the QuickShifter now. That's sick. God, my bike looks so good. It's my baby right there. Let's see how it feels. Oh, wait, it feels weird like turning because like you're lower. I don't know. I'd have to get used to it. Yeah, the rear sets are, they feel a little bit lower. Well, they just feel like that because the seat's lower. I don't know. It's definitely comfier though. So if you're looking for comfort, I'd go with the ZX6R. I mean, I haven't ridden the Honda or Suzuki, but the R6 is definitely just race oriented. So, oh, here go the dogs. Dogs always jump out in front of me for some reason when I'm on my bike. I don't know, they like bikes or something. Oh, his brakes aren't as good as mine either, because I got R1 brakes.
Your suspension's a lot softer than pack.
Oh, really? Damn, that QuickShifter's... I want one, dude. I think it said something about the suspension. Mine's a lot softer or harder. I don't, either one, I don't know. This feels easy in the corners. I don't know why it feels easier than the R6. It shouldn't. Oh, the QuickShifter sounds so good. Highway time. Highway time, baby. A bunch of assholes. QuickShifter is sick. I think his bike has 637 cc's, or 636 I mean. So he's got like 37 more on the R6, because the R6 has like 599. Bike, dude, I like this. His bike's gonna beat mine because it has that 37 more cc's, but I think I'm 5 or 10 pounds lighter than him too. The full tuck feels weird. I think his screen's not as high. get over this quick shifter. It's so good. Sounds so good. I need a quick shifter now. I shouldn't have rode this. I go record. Oh, I love that. I love it. His brakes are a little squishy. Yeah, so I just want to get a little video of switching bikes. Yeah, I like this bike though. It's a good bike. Ah, come on. Where's that neutral? Dude, I like this.
I was so scared with my stabilizer, bro.
No. Yeah, tighten it. I can't hear. I'll talk to you at the gas station. Yeah, I forgot he has a stabilizer. Mine's scary because I don't have a stabilizer, so I know what he means. Come on, Granny. Come on, Granny. I need a quick shifter now.
You like it?
I need a quick shifter. How'd you like it?
Different.
It's different? Dude, yours is so much comfier than mine.
Alright. First of all, how'd you like the ZX6R?
It's comfy. Shit, dude, I need a quick shifter now.
I know.
I shouldn't have rode, and it's not, it's like perfect every time you shift.
Well, sometimes it fucks it up, but it's very rare.
I mean, yeah, it didn't happen to me. And I need a steering stabilizer now. Oh, dang, it ain't coming? Shit. No, I didn't.
Stabilizer at all?
No, I didn't really want. I don't want to fuck with it or anything.
No,
but
I keep it on this for like when I'm street riding.
Okay.
On the freeway, I just switch it over to 8.
So did yours get a little? Did that get a little wobbly at all or no?
Not at all. That's why I'm like, on mine when I would hit the freeway before I had the stabilizer, it's like you hit a bump and it's like it would give.
That's what happens to me, and it's fucking scary.
No.
I mean, if
the way I think it's just the way our suspension's set up. Because mine.
Wait, did you say mine was harder? It's because it's like
a lot softer.
Really?
At least compared to mine or Pat's.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
I'm surprised because usually it should be harder because it's set up for track usually.
No, I was hitting all well because it's adjustable. It's probably adjusted.
Yeah, I don't know if the dude before we adjusted it.
I went on this and I'm like, oh, I don't even feel the bumps. It's totally fine.
Really? Yeah, you look sick on it too. It looks so good.
Dude, it was.
Because I never see it from like the third view, third person.
Turbo. It's like you got nothing.
Oh, did you notice that when it hits 10,000? Yeah, yours is just the whole way. I feel like.
I was gonna say in 6th gear, like you can actually pass someone in 6th. With
Did you see me pass you? I think I'm a little lighter than you, and that has 37 more cc's. So I was like, sheesh.
Being able to pass in 6th is nice, which is like obviously track bike. This had street mine, but like.
How did your?
turbo on.
The turbo.
I swear to God.
It's like a Civic with fucking VTEC.
Dude, it's just like nothing, everything.
How'd you like full tuck on? Oh, you couldn't full tuck because of this probably.
Yeah, I was trying to.
Yeah.
Out, and I'm like,
but did you know the windscreen's higher? Yours is low. I feel like your windscreen is a lot lower. Yeah, I like that bike though. That probably would have been like one of my second options.
It's, dude.
It's comfy. It's freaking fast, dude. Like shit.
It was a little bit cheaper than
yeah.
So nice.
This one just looks so good though.
Oh, and your clutch. That dude.
Yeah.
So fucking.
Yeah, cause I should have told you it's literally all the way out here.
I know.
Yeah,
I almost stalled it probably like. I probably almost stalled it like 3 or 4 times.
Really? I almost did going out your driveway. I'm like, I don't want to stall. You're just so much easier flat foot too.
Yeah. Well, because you're like sitting more in it.
Yeah, right. You're literally on top of this. Alright, if you guys like that video of a little bike swap, leave a like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it. But yeah, you guys ride safe out there, and see you guys in the next one. Over and out.